them. I'm a boy, boy. I'm a boy. Yeah, I'm a boy.
Set your place on fire.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy King Gaming Vlog 6. Also, I wanted to show you something outside. You guys wanted to see how it looks now in the morning. You can see now, guys, how it looks. You can see now it's too sunny, but it was raining. In a couple of times it was raining, but now it's not raining. And it's sunny day, sunny day. Yeah. So today I don't know what I'm going to do. I have some makeup over here. Some makeup. You can see it has every color you want, any color. But do not say I do, but I can't. I don't want to do the makeup. Now what? Why do you want to do the makeup? And I'm not a girl. Boys, they don't do makeup, by the way, but some boys they do. Some boys they keep some boys keep this makeup. Wengine wanakanga makeup because they're gay. If you're a gay, you can keep. But me, I'm not gay. I'm good. I'm a boy. Yeah. I'm a boy. Then you saw a gay girl boy, gay, in the petrol station in Kembeni, here in Bamburi. Petrol station, I don't know, it's called Danka. Yeah, Danka. I saw a Charlie Dem, gay. Alikuwa amebandika some kucha. Alikuwa amebandika kucha. Don't know why. Watu walizaliwa kwa wavulana lakini wanataka kwa wasichana. Surely, how can you be a girl then you're a boy? If you're a boy, you want to be a girl. No, use your brain very well. Yeah. So this is my end of my video. I'll see you when I see you.